This is my Craftsman Platinum push mower. The drive belt has broken. Here's the new drive belt. Ordered it. Says the Husqvarna belt will work on it. There's the part number. And also, here's the belt number. We'll go ahead and take this cover right here off. I'm going to go ahead and take that bolt right there out. And it's a 5/16. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the cover off. I'm going to go ahead and get some of the grass and clean it up. Now you got two little bolts right here. They're 1/4 inch. Go ahead and remove those. Now that the bolts are out, we can go ahead and take this piece right here and slide it off. Get it out of the way. Pull our belt off. Now we'll go underneath. Find something to hold the handlebars to the ground so you can get under it. I used a spud bar. Okay, now I'm under here. Here's the belt. It's pretty much broke. Here's the pulley, and here's a bracket to keep the belt from coming off the pulley. Here's a 1/2 inch bolt that's got to be taken out so I can take this bracket off to remove the belt. Here's the bracket. Here's the belt. Just slip it right on over the blade. And let's go ahead and put the other one on. And we'll go ahead and take this belt. I'm going to slip it over the top here. I'm going down here. I'm going to slip it under the bottom. Now I'm going to take and put it right up through this hole right here. Bring it right in. Pull it tight. Take our bracket. Put it back in here. Put the bolt in it. Now let's go back to the top. Now go ahead, put the belt on the top here, like so. Put the bracket on. Put your two bolts back in. Now that the two bolts are on there, put your cover on. Just slide it up there. Take your bolt, put it in there. Tighten it down. Now you're ready to mow. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.